Hey guys, this is Utsav, Dhaaga. I'm a T.I.M.E. student at the Churchgate branch. Recently, I gave my NMAT and got a score of 210, and which gave me a call from NMIMS Mumbai. Right now, I have had my SOP evaluation mentoring session. The session was a great one. Really got some great insight from the professor. He read each and every word of my SOP and critiqued it really well. He told me the areas of improvement, and it was a very good session overall. As far as my advice to you all for the CAT 2019 is concerned, I think regular studies is very important. For your verbal, it's very much important if you read the editorials of various newspapers, which will help you improve your reading skills. And as far as quants and logical reasoning is concerned, I think regular practice is a must. Even though it's just an hour a day, I think regular maintaining consistency is very important. And I think this is a very, very good way to crack to the CAT 2019.